The Ninja Foodi Possible Cooker Pro has finally made its way to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday, and we're getting our first look at this cooker that has been around for a while. It went crazy, and of course, in typical Amy fashion, I'm usually late to the party, but I eventually arrived. So yeah, I'm usually late to the party for a lot of things. Like when everybody was watching Seinfeld, I wouldn't watch it. I didn't really start watching it until it went into syndication. And then Friends was the same way. And then I couldn't get enough of it. So when the Friends and Seinfeld party was over, I was just getting into it and I was saying, woohoo! And everybody was like, that's like old news, right? This is the Ninja Foodi Possible Cooker Pro. What, pray tell, could that be, right? Mm-hmm. It is a multi-cooker, right? It is a slow cooker, steam oven, food warmer, non-stick pot, saute pan, cast iron skillet, yada, 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 right? You put heat on something, you put a lid, so then it could be a whole bunch of different things, right? So, why would you buy something like this that's a multi-cooker over a slow cooker? I love the slow cooker, but I also love slow cookers that have multi-functions. Because a lot of times I want to saute something before I slow cook it. Because I kind of feel like if you just throw something in a slow cooker, you're losing out on a lot of flavor, right? You're just basically getting a boiled or something a braise without the flavor, right? So then you have to saute it in another pan and then put it in your slow cooker. This eliminates that step, right? It just takes, you saute function, you saute it up, you get that little, right? And then you start your slow cooking. And I think that is the best world of a slow cooker. If your slow cooker doesn't saute, right? I tend to pass it up. So, my question with this thing, one of the things is when you are doing slow cooking, a slow cooker, the craft pan, whatever you want to call it, is completely within the cooker. And I think they have like rings, so you have a heating element going up the cooker, right? This one, part of the cooker's out.
It's huge. It's 8.5 quarts.
Yeah, part of the cooker's out though, so you're not going to have that heat here. A lot of your heat is going to be down at the bottom. So I am kind of concerned about whether I will like that. But we shall see. We shall see with the possible cooker. Whoop. So you got some literature, handbooks and such, with hopefully some recipes in it.
Ninja's usually good with their packaging and making it look pretty.
Yeah, butternut squash risotto. We have a little, so this thing has a spoon that rests on, I think it rests on top of the lid. So we'll see how that is, right? And we have a lid. Lid. Ooh, nice. I like the handle on it.
Got a hole.
Very nice. Okay, dokey. Dokey okey. Ooh, here's our cooker. So it comes in a few different colors. I got the blue because this was on sale. I did a store pickup and this is the color that was on sale. Like I wanted the white one, but they didn't have it. I would have had to have it shipped and it would have been more money. So I was like, forget that. So here is, wow, this is kind of big. The only thing that I would say that would make this possible cooker amazing is if it came with 2 inserts. And what am I talking about? One that was stainless steel and one that was nonstick. They could package this up with 2 inserts. So sometimes when you want to cook with nonstick, you can. And sometimes when you want to cook with stainless to get the fond, you can do that too. Right, Ninja? Right, Ninja. No, I doubt they'll even...
One, they're cheap. They're not going to do that. And the average person doesn't want stainless.
The average person does want stainless.
No, they don't.
And number two...
They want the nonstick.
Yeah, they want nonstick, but the average 40% of the cooks want some stainless because I want to sear off some chicken, get a little fond in there, deglaze it, and throw it on slow cook, right? Oh, I want the nonstick.
Plus stainless.
This is what I got.
Plus stainless you can throw in the dishwasher. This you can't.
If Ninja wanted to attract all the cooks, they'd give you 2 inserts, one nonstick ceramic and one stainless. It is an attractive looking cooker. So let me plug this baby in and we can go through the cycles. Oh, wait. Before we do that.
Oh, now it's official.
This is on here. So when you want to come in, bring it on. It has little tongs like this, tines for pasta. Like, like a pasta spoon or a ladle. There you go. Oh, man. Ideas are floating on my head because it would be nice to have a scraper. But oh well. Okay, so we have an on button. It says, hi.
Hi.
Turn it off, and it says,
Bye.
So we're going to go high. So to get your cycle, you have to go this way for these and this way for these. So we have slow cook, sear, saute, steam, keep warm. Can you keep going? It goes around? No. You go back. Sous vide, braise, bake, and proof for the bread. 95, okay. So when you have something like slow cook, the temp buttons go high and low, depending on how you want to. And then you got your time going this way, right? 6. How high will this go?
Can you do a 12-hour?
12 hour.
Yeah.
Well, it probably wants that because of the sous vide function. Sous vide, right? This is not a true.
No.
A lot of places, like even Instant Pot and stuff, does that. This is not a true sous vide. Sous vide has a circulator.
It has a circulator, so the water is more evenly temperatured.
Sear is high and low with no time. Braise is just time. Doesn't tell you the temp. Bake, 350, 400, 425. Bake some potatoes in there. Looks kind of delicious. And then you just hit start. Oh, there's that ninja sound.
Yeah, we were waiting for the beeping.
Let's do that again. It's the same Foodi sound. I think they planned that. Yep, it's the same.
Well, at least they're not annoying you every time you change something. It doesn't go beep, beep, beep.
Yeah, it doesn't beep, beep, beep all the way around. So, cooks, we have the Ninja Foodi Possible Cooker Pro. Finally in the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. Let's cook something. Join me in the next upload.